Hello, today I will show you how to change your display settings in F1 Manager 2024. First, tap on the little gear icon to open the settings and tap on settings once again. And then you need to navigate to the display section. In the display settings, you can change your window mode from borderless to windowed to full screen. You can change your graphics API, although this requires a restart of the game, from DX12 to DX11. You can enable or disable the Vsync, enable widescreen UI during session, lock cursor when windowed, all full screen. You can also adjust your gamma levels. When you are done, simply press Apply Settings. When the settings are saved, well, you are done. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.